Eugenio Morgan!
Behold, the puny human has been granted a laser. Watch as it dies, desperately grasping at its newfound power.
Brutal!
Victory!
Boom!
Easy. Let's see if the human escapes the arrows.
MMM! The archers take a second to aim.
Right. Better shake it before firing. Victory! Victory!
Yes!
The next fight will not be so easy. Is the laser mightier than the sword?
Only if it hits.
Victory!
Boom!
Easy.
Yay! It's Spidertron 5000!
Hello.
I've missed that boss!
Clone created.
Commentatron, did you know that most humans have no clone backups?
What about twins?
They don't act as replacements when one of them dies.
Then what are they good for?
I'm not sure.
Victory! Very nice.
I like this contestant.
Let's hope it does not die horribly in the next battle.
What is this? A human with a laser?
Fleet Overseer.
This will not stand.
Oh no.
Victory!
Port A.
Countless more robots await. You must be thrilled.
Lava and spikes.
Fun alternatives for ending your existence. Clone activated. Victory! Very nice.
I like this contestant.
Let's hope it does not die horribly in the next battle. Welcome to Spider Hill. Clone
Is that the name we settled on?
Death Robot River.
Sure.
Nice. Now more versions of this human will die.
Perhaps they will die in different ways.
We shall see. Victory!
Boom!
Easy.
Jetpack box!
Mwahaha.
Good luck running away now, human!
Victory! Victory!
Yes!
The next fight will not be so easy.
This human is still alive.
It's pretty good with the laser!
Bob, this time I'll get it.
Clone activated. Victory! Very nice.
I like this contestant!
Let's hope it does not die horribly in the next battle.
It is time for a fresh strategy.
Oh my, clone created.
Can't wait to see the human's face as it dies!
The human made a clone.
Very nice!
Enough. You will die by my laser. Soon.
Victory!
No.
Oh my,
This human is pretty good with the laser!
too good. Let's end this experiment here.
Agreed!